If you find that you're getting these banana shaped fingers here, we've covered this in the beginner's tutorial, it's because you're heating what doesn't need to be shrunk or you're overheating. Pretty much both of the same things. If you go back to watch the fourth video on the beginner's tint training for shrinking, you'll see that new member Chris was doing this and you'll see how he dealt with it. We don't want to keep heating this, we just need to simply push against the banana and get it down and carry on. The more you heat it, the more it's just going to keep stretching the film. So again, it's all about identifying this before it happens. You're going to make these mistakes when you first start off, and you identify it before it happens and deal with it then. And most of the time, it's going to be a simple fix of just pushing it out. Now, if you've done it too much, and you just can't simply push it out and it just won't go away, there's two things you can do. One is you can pull the film from behind, stretch it back and reheat it. This will reshape the film and stop it pulling in so hard into one section. Or you can lift the film up, spray water under it and pull just under the finger or banana and heat it out like this, because we need to reshape the film. Again, when you get in these bananas, what's happening is it's pulling the film from the other direction and changing the shape of the film, which is why you're having the banana. We need to deal with this instead of heating it and making it worse.